What's that?
What's what?
That bag.
Nothing. Go ahead. You're all on camera.
I'm gonna pull you over, so I'm gonna ask you one more time. Give me your license, registration, insurance. I'm gonna pull you out of this car.
Brody Pitts, I think.
I don't have it, luckily.
Yes.
Oh, wait.
The officer initiated the stop, claiming the driver's left brake light was out. Under most state traffic codes, such as California Vehicle Code, Section 24252, brake lights must be functional, but a single malfunctioning light does not constitute a valid reason to detain or escalate beyond a routine citation. Instead of focusing solely on the brake light issue, the officer turned the stop into an opportunity to question the passengers and scrutinize the vehicle's tags. This diversion lacked reasonable suspicion of criminal activity, a violation of constitutional protections against unreasonable searches and seizures.
What you got going on?
Nothing, your left brake light's out. That's why I pulled you over. And you can't just leave your car on the side of the road.
I have to go get tow dollies.
Okay, that tag comes back. Can you get your phone out of my face? If you want to record me, that's fine, but I don't want it in my face. You got your license, registration, insurance?
Who, me?
What? Over, you said what was
your left brake light? Your third one works and your right one works. Your left one.
You wouldn't have known that if you didn't pull me over. What was your reason for the blue light to be turned on?
One, the brake light, and two, I needed to speak to her about her vehicle. That the tag doesn't come back to that
That
vehicle.
doesn't give you a right to pull
Jamie,
me
I need
over.
you to
Was
call
she
me,
suspended? Is she suspected of committing a crime?
Jamie.
Well, no, I need to talk to her, but you have committed a traffic infraction because your left brake light is out. So that is the reason to pull you over. So I'm going to ask you one more time. Give me your license, registration, insurance. I'm going to pull you out of this car.
Brody Pitts, I think.
I don't have it, luckily.
Yes.
The officer shifted his attention to the passenger, demanding her license and registration without cause. According to Florida v. Royer, law enforcement must have probable cause or a valid suspicion to demand identification from passengers unless they are suspected of a crime. The passenger was under no obligation to provide identification, yet the officer escalated by threatening to remove her from the car. This aggressive posture further exemplifies how law enforcement often oversteps its authority during minor traffic stops.
Oh wait, yeah, dude.
So, can I step out of the car?
In just a second.
Okay. Hold on, Jamie.
I just got a phone call from a friend.
What's that?
What's what?
That bag.
Nothing. Go ahead. You're all on camera.
Oh my God.
Well, that's good. I'm recording too.
Good.
Your license.
No, I want you to go through it.
So,
You want me to get your ID
So
out?
I was at my boss's house, right? Because I take care of her aunt.
You done
his
plundering,
aunt.
kid? Are you done plundering? You feel stupid yet?
No,
Maybe?
stop.
You don't.
When the officer reached into the car and grabbed the driver's wallet, it crossed the line into an unlawful search. The Fourth Amendment clearly states that searches and seizures must be reasonable and supported by a warrant or probable cause. Grabbing the wallet without consent or a legitimate reason constitutes a clear violation of this right. The officer's conduct demonstrated a disregard for due process, further eroding the trust between law enforcement and citizens.
So anyhow,
Because you sure look it.
Where's your license at?
I didn't bring them with me. They're in my other vehicle. Write me a ticket and I'll be on my way. All right?
Okay, well, what's your name and date of birth?
David Hammond.
Are you there?
February 3rd.
What's your name?
Michelle
Michelle what?
Elgin.
Was that guy that was walking down Highway 59, was he with you?
No.
Okay. So, what piqued my interest with you to begin with is I turned around on your vehicle, you were going back towards Jim's auto, and then you disappeared on me.
No, I
and then you
didn't
were
disappear.
there.
The whole total car just, I'll crank it up and you can hear it.
Yeah, but you were going the opposite way I was going, and when I turned around, you were nowhere to be found. I come back
because I turned into the thing because my whole total motor blew.
That's all
I
you
turned
have to
around,
say.
I seen
Michelle,
you whenever
that's
you
all you have
passed.
to
You
say.
got your ID with you?
Yes.
That's it, please.
What do you need her
I mean, my
ID
whole
for?
car is messed up.
So you were driving that car and you ain't got a license?
No, I wasn't driving.
Yeah, you were. I said you when you passed me.
Then why didn't you pull her over?
Because she was parked out of it by the time I got over there.
Well, then you
what are you, some jailhouse lawyer or something?
No, I'm just somebody that likes the Constitution. What are you, a tyrant?
No.
I just want to
Yeah,
pull
do you
my
remember
hair out,
swearing?
man.
Do you remember swearing an oath to the Constitution?
I do. Or you
That's
consider
good.
me a road pirate too, I guess?
I don't know what you call
What's a
yourself.
road pirate?
I know that your sheriff likes hiring pedophiles.
This is not funny, Jamie.
Okay.
I know that. You remember the one that just was at the school resource officer?
Huh?
You remember the school resource officer up at Fair Oaks?
That was before my time.
Okay. Well, I'm sure
Can me
you're
and
fine.
Mr. B. Pitts get this out of the way, whatever he's going to do.
What was your name again, sir?
David Hammond.
Don't argue with him.
Hammond. Spell your last name.
Hammond.
And your date of birth.
February 3rd, 1973.
73. Okay. You got your registration insurance?
So whenever Mr. Pitts will allow me out of the car, I'll talk to you then, Jamie.
Alright, call me back. I'm gonna have some tickets.
There's two names under there, Glenda Lindsay and David Hammond.
Okay.
And the registration's the license plate.
You don't have your registration card?
I'm sure I do, but I'm not going to dig it out for you.
Okay.
You can run the license plate.
Well, you're required to give it to me when I request it.
Okay, well, you can run the license plate.
Okay.
Mr. Pitts, may I talk to you?
You need to talk to me?
Yeah, I mean, ain't nothing bad.
Yeah, come on back here.
Nothing bad. Just keep the recording on.
What do you got to talk to him about?
I mean, he wants to talk to me about my car.
Girl, you don't have to say anything. You don't have to get out the
but
car
I'm not
or
gonna be
anything.
right. But
If you ain't got an 8-year degree in law, I would suggest not talking to any
You got
police
one?
officer. Do I? No, I got a camera for my lawyer when she sees it.
you know my Uncle Jamie.
Is that
Jamie, Hammond.
okay? Are you wanting to talk to me, or you want your attorney over here to talk to you?
Who?
Well, you said you wanted to talk to me, but he's keeping you from talking to me. Are you wanting to get out and talk to me, or?
I mean, yes, I was driving no license.
I know, I seen you.
Okay, well, I'm telling the truth. I mean, you seen me, but you did not pull me over doing it, though.
Yeah, because you got out.
You just
No,
told
my
him.
car really tore up. Like, I'll go crank it up, and you can see for yourself. Like, I have no reason to lie to you.
You got any warrants or anything?
No.
I'll be with you in just a second.
Michelle, why would you tell him that you were driving, darling?
Because he done seen me. I ain't gonna lie to
You
him.
don't have to admit
Listen,
to
I
it.
know, but I'm not
That's
gonna lie.
just
But I'm not
stupid.
gonna lie to him either.
The officer coerced the passenger into admitting she had been driving without a license. Under Miranda versus Arizona, individuals must be informed of their rights before any custodial interrogation. By pressing her to admit to a traffic violation without advising her of her rights, the officer engaged in manipulative and unethical behavior. The passenger, under pressure and without legal counsel, confessed to something that the officer had no direct evidence to prove, highlighting the imbalance of power in such interactions. Like and subscribe for more. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.